Userpilot allows your end users to search using the Resource Center for modules, but also for documentation in your own help docs. How to set that up is easy. Just navigate to the Widget tab. And here, as you scroll to the bottom, you'll see this search functionality. First, you'll select your search engine. Next, you'll add the text to the search box. Turned it off. Add your search box, and then you'll add the domain that you want your users to search through. Now, you'll have to remember that you want to match the following formats, and of course, you'll need to whitelist the actual location where we will be doing the searching. There's some great documentation in our help docs should you have further questions. In fact, you can search for it using our own resource center. And of course, should there be no search results, you can add your own text to let them know where to go for further information, or that you unfortunately do not have documentation on this at this time. All right, and that is how you add your own search functionality here in the Resource Center.